Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at Litecoin coming in at number 19. Litecoin against USDT. Previously, we were saying that Litecoin turning into a symmetrical triangle. We would love it if we had a very nice breakout, right? And we continue going higher for Litecoin. But alas, what happened was Litecoin, this is what we call fake breakout. We broke higher and then we got slapped down, because of the FTX debacle, right? And so here we are for Litecoin. The target that we've already acquired since, when was this? 21st of September. That was like 2 months ago. Still stands. $33 freaking dollars still stands, and we still expect $33 to be hit for Litecoin. We're at $58. 58, 33 is another 45%. So yeah, if anything, we are still expecting more downside to come for Litecoin. If you put it over here, you can see that this is something like a wave 4, right? Can you see it? Can you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We hit to $30, right? To hit maybe sub $30, and then boom, we're hoping for a bounce. But there is serious danger over here, right? That if we were to hit $30 or sub 30, and then we bounce from here, oh dear lord, this is potentially a gigantic head and shoulders, right? So because Binance came into the scene in 2017 and it doesn't have data beforehand, so we're going to go to the best exchange in the world to get more data, and the exchange is called Bitfinex. So for Bitfinex, if you look over here, oh my god, here you see mountain 1, mountain 2, right? This whole thing could be a left shoulder, right? This whole thing, if we were to drop to $30, right, it's going to be a it's going to be a head, right? Left shoulder, we go up here, come back down, head, right? And we'll be expecting a right shoulder to be formed over here. Oh dear lord, this is going to be brutal. And yeah, if we complete a right shoulder over here, as in, like, if we were to rally all the way back up, great. But if we fail to make new all-time highs for Litecoin, oh, this is going to be the largest head and shoulders ever for Litecoin. This could be the end for Litecoin. And then after that, I'm not so sure. There could be a rally. Maybe we might go back up to triple digits, $100 maybe. We might attempt to break $100, maybe close to it, 90 something, and then we come back down, right? Something like that. And then we get a right shoulder. 2024, Bitcoin fails to make a new all-time high for the first time ever. Pump, we hit lower towards $3.33. So that's the target that we have for Litecoin. If we get something like this, absolute worst case scenario for Litecoin, this is going to be brutal, absolutely brutal for Litecoin, right? If you look at Litecoin against BTC, there's just nothing much happening in Litecoin. I don't know who's using Litecoin at this moment. Litecoin used to be a top 5 coin. Now it's no longer even a top 10 or top 15. It's at number 19. If you look at Litecoin against BTC, right, every time it goes above the skinny pink line, right? It goes above the skinny pink line, it gets slapped down, up, slapped down, up. Are we going to get a slap down? I don't know. Is this a bullish reversal? I don't see it. Just because I don't see a bullish reversal doesn't mean Litecoin can't just do a super duper spike. This will be great though. But for us to think that Litecoin is going to overtake Bitcoin, as in, like, increase in value against Bitcoin, it's just not clear, not to me. So things are not looking good for Litecoin. And worst case scenario, absolute worst case scenario is 333, right? What am I doing? Litecoin USD. Oops. Yeah. Oh, okay. On Binance, you still have it. So you see, there's a big dip here. Bring us towards $1. Litecoin is goodbye to Litecoin. If Litecoin really drops to, I don't know, 90 cents or 80 cents, this is the end of crypto. Actually, I feel this is the end of crypto. It's been a great ride so far, guys. It's been a great ride so far with you. But if that happens, we're going to be shorting the shit out of the markets. We're going to be making a shit ton of money. And that's what we intend to do if it happens, right? So anyway, just to be clear, crypto is an emerging asset class. It's an asset class on its own. Just because we drop to under $1 doesn't mean we can't recover back up, right? There could be some recovery eventually in the future. There could be some other coins that could overtake crypto as a whole. And at this point of time, I just don't think that there is much that we can do, right? There might be another trade down for wave 5, right? This is 1, this is 3, this is 5. There could be 5 waves down, right? So we might take a trade for this. If it does show its face, $30 is our target. And after that, if we bounce right at support, that this whole thing is by design. It's all by design. And so, I think there should be a right shoulder. Crypto collapses. Not crypto, but Litecoin, right? We take it one thing by one thing, right? So this is Litecoin's sharp pattern. So if anything, Litecoin should be collapsing to potentially 333. Single digits, we're at 58. So this is a long way down. So we're very, very interested to short Litecoin, but only if we see the opportunity, right? The door opens up and then we go in, right? If we don't see the door open, we're not going to make any move, right? Of course, Litecoin could just start dropping all the way from here. But we'll see. We'll take things one step at a time, right? I guess that's it for my Litecoin technical analysis. Stay safe. Don't rush into anything. See you in the next video. Ta-da!